and I've been nominated by my friend Ro to do the 22 push-up, hashtag 22 kill challenge. This challenge is in regards to our fallen veterans. An average of 22 veterans every single day commit suicide. I'm here to raise awareness, and I'm also here to talk a little bit about depression and about what it does to people. I'm going to leave a 1-800 number, so if you or anybody else that you know that suffers from any type of depression can call that number and be directed to the right people who need to get help. So I'm going to attempt to do the challenge on the paddleboard, so you guys bear with me. Can you straighten me out? Thank you guys for watching, and please share this video.